In the heart of Indiana, on a modest farm, the culinary odyssey of Harland Sanders, later known as Colonel Sanders, began. Born on September 9, 1890, Sanders' journey unfolds with a poignant tale of loss and resilience. At just 5, he faced the untimely departure of his father, thrusting his mother into a whirlwind of odd jobs for survival. As she toiled in a canning factory, young Sanders took on the responsibility of caring for his 2 younger siblings. This early chapter marked the inception of a remarkable journey, propelling Sanders into the captivating world of culinary exploration. By the age of 7, he was already honing his cooking skills, staying up late to master the art that would later make him a kitchen maestro. Explore untold stories of iconic brands and personalities at the Bullish Society. Uncover forgotten archives, secrets, and narratives that shaped our world. Meet visionaries, voices of change, and immerse yourself in defining stories. Subscribe now and join our community of storytellers. Don't miss the tales behind every success and failure. Join us as we delve into the fascinating odyssey of Colonel Sanders, a man whose culinary prowess transcended the ordinary and shaped the iconic legacy we know today. In his journey through life, Sanders faced the bumps and turns that shaped his remarkable tale. At the mere age of 10, Sanders landed a farm job, only to be shown the door for prioritizing the company of animals over his assigned tasks. This setback earned him a scolding from his mother, leaving him jobless and burdened with her disappointment. A determined Sanders, fueled by this experience, pledged to carve success from life's challenges. Despite hardships, Sanders' early life unfolded with turmoil. His mother's remarriage ushered in a turbulent phase, subjecting him to a harsh stepfather. Opting for autonomy at 12, Sanders worked on a farm, juggling pre-dawn animal care, daytime schooling, and evening jobs. School disinterest, especially in algebra, prompted his departure at a mere 13. Diverse professional pursuits followed, ranging from streetcar conductor to insurance and tire salesman, steamboat operator, midwife secretary, and carriage painter. A brief army stint at 15, while not conferring a colonel title, ended in discharge due to underage status. Marriage at 18 led Sanders to seek a professional path. A foray into law through a male course crumbled in a courtroom clash. Railroad employment followed, yet dismissal loomed again. Darker days arrived when his wife left, taking their children. Shattered by apparent family loss, Sanders considered drastic measures, but found solace in his father-in-law's counsel. Choosing reconciliation, he mended familial bonds. In 1947, tragedy struck again as Sanders and his wife, grappling with the loss of their 20-year-old son, parted ways. The first half of Sanders' life seemed defined by heartaches. Yet, fate took an unexpected turn at 40. Managing a Kentucky Shell gas station, Sanders turned the back room into a kitchen, offering ham steaks, string beans, and hot biscuits. Fried chicken, absent due to its time-consuming nature, was not yet on the menu. In a culinary turning point, Sanders harnessed the growing popularity of pressure cookers, redefining chicken preparation with a method that cooked it in 8 to 9 minutes while preserving its flavor. The addition of a unique secret blend of 11 herbs and spices transformed his fried chicken into a bestseller, capturing the taste buds of travelers. Creative marketing, including barn door ads, propelled Sanders' gas station food to new heights. A rivalry with local competitor Matt Stewart led to a dramatic shootout, resulting in Sanders' self-defense and Stewart's imprisonment. Sanders emerged with an enhanced reputation, earning an honorary title of colonel from Kentucky's governor in 1935. Expanding beyond the gas station, Sanders inaugurated 142-seat restaurants in 1935, marking a pinnacle of success. Challenges resurfaced in 1939, with the restaurant fire and World War II disrupting tourism. Undeterred, Sanders pursued a post-war venture until the 50s. The construction of a new interstate highway in the 50s, bypassing Sanders' location, forced him to auction off his business at a loss at the age of 65. Contrary to online speculation, Sanders, at 62, saw his predicament as a puzzle, not a reason to give up. Retirement age became inconsequential as he faced his most significant breakthrough. Sanders, contemplating an unconventional strategy, envisioned franchising as the gateway to success. Armed with pressure cookers and his iconic seasoning, he embarked on a tireless journey across the U.S. living out of his car. He pitched the franchise idea to potential restaurants, offering them the chance to sell his chicken for a modest fee of 4 cents per piece. Despite facing 1,009 rejections, Sanders remained undeterred. The pivotal moment came in 1952 when Pete Harmon of South Salt Lake, Utah, became Sanders' first franchisee. Harmon's sales tripled within the first year, and he coined the iconic slogan, "Finger Licking Good." By the end of 1963, Sanders had franchised over 600 outlets, turning KFC into a multi-million-dollar company. However, a new chapter unfolded when a determined group of entrepreneurs led by 29-year-old John Brown sought to buy KFC. Despite initial refusals, Brown's persistence and a $2 million offer led Sanders to sell in 1964 at the age of 73. With newfound wealth, Sanders embraced the limelight, donning his distinctive white suit for global promotions. Meanwhile, KFC underwent changes under John Brown's leadership, setting the stage for a new era in the iconic brand's history. Yet, the harmonious narrative took an unexpected turn in 1971 when John Brown sold KFC to a colossal food conglomerate. The new custodians, unlike Brown, chose to tamper with the Colonel's revered recipes, leading to changes that Sanders deemed unacceptable. His public denunciation of the revamped recipes resulted in a franchisee suing him for libel in 1978, a case that was later dismissed. Unhappy with KFC's trajectory, Sanders took matters into his own hands, defiantly launching Claudia Sanders, the Colonel's Lady Dinner House, and sparking a legal feud. KFC retaliated by suing its own founder over the use of the Colonel's branding. Undeterred, Sanders countersued for $122 million, accusing the conglomerate of misusing his image in product promotions. The legal battles concluded with a settlement, Sanders receiving $1 million. To continue his culinary legacy, his competing restaurant, now known as Claudia Sanders Dinner House, persists as the sole purveyor of the original Colonel Sanders fried chicken. The chapter unfolds as Sanders, a maverick to the end, navigates the stormy waters of corporate clashes, determined to preserve the essence of his iconic creation. Harland Sanders, the indomitable Colonel, faced the final chapter of his extraordinary journey in 1980, succumbing to acute leukemia at the age of 90. A tenacious spirit until the end, Sanders refused the allure of retirement, continuing to toil just a month before his passing. In his own words, he declared an aversion to idleness, shunning a life to inactivity. Today, Colonel Sanders' legacy resonates in over 25,000 KFC outlets worldwide. From cooking chicken in a gas station, he built a global empire, overcoming failures and personal tragedies. At 65, he defied aging norms, embracing a new business model, and by 74, he achieved financial success as a millionaire. Colonel Sanders' wisdom echoes. Every failure can be a stepping stone to something better. His journey is more than a fast food tale. It's a testament to resilience and the pursuit of a dream. Despite setbacks, Sanders left an indelible mark on business and gastronomy, reminding us that triumphs often arise from challenges. Thanks for joining us on this captivating journey through the stories that shape our world. Your support keeps the Bullish Society thriving. Subscribe and ring the notification bell to never miss a captivating story. More incredible stories and interviews are coming your way. Stay tuned for what's next on the Bullish Society.